What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jay Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, girls, I'm going to do a drugstore starter kit video for those girls that don't really know too much about makeup and wants to know what products they should grab from the drugstore, because it can definitely be confusing. You know, when you're in a drugstore in Walmart, Walgreens, anything like that, there's no one there to actually help and assist you with searching for products. So pretty much you're just going off of someone's YouTube video, and girl, this can be that YouTube video, period. So yeah, y'all, if you guys want to see my drugstore starter kit video, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for more videos. We are slowly growing. Enjoying the royal flush, girl. We are slowly growing. We're almost to 2K. I want to make it to 2K before the end of July. So definitely we about to keep trying, and that's just that on period. Right after the subscribe button, there is a bell notification button. Click that to be notified for all my future videos. A lot of people are not getting my bell notifications, so make sure y'all hit that, and y'all have to click that, and y'all have to click all, so get all my notifications, and that's just that easy. And if you guys enjoy yourself at any point, and you guys enjoy me, if you guys enjoy any of these products, if you guys are going to go out, or if you guys are using this video as a reference to pick up some amazing products, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. For primer, I would say that you like, when it comes to drugstore, I would say there are multiple brands that you can definitely go to, but my favorite personally for primer in the drugstore is e.l.f. e.l.f. primers are literally unmatched, and they're so amazing. So I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop dupe primer. People say this is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, and yeah, I don't know. I tried the Hydro Grip and I really like it. I would say it's very similar, but yeah, this primer is really amazing and it's really good at gripping your foundation. Another honorable mention is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I like to layer my primers, y'all, just because it gives me a better effect. But this really is really good. It fills in your pores. Some people think that they don't need primer. You can definitely go ahead, but I actually notice a difference when I'm not using primer and when I'm using primer. So yeah, I actually notice a difference. Hey, you guys, for foundation, this has been a favorite of mine since last year. This is the Maybelline Urban Dream Cover. This foundation is everything. It has sunscreen. You can build it up to full coverage. It's just everything, and the shades are very fun, like very easy to find. They literally coexist with the Fit Me line, so you can definitely find your shade on that. So yeah, it comes in a little squeeze tube like this. And I just literally just do that. I literally just do that. I'm about to take the Sonia Cash Chic Sponge. All these products that I'm mentioning, y'all, can be found at the drugstore. And I would say you need this as a starter kit. Like, definitely. This sponge is everything. As you can see, it does give you a nice little sheen, and I really like that. And I like my skin poking through, y'all. I don't like super full coverage like I used to. This is definitely medium coverage, I would say I have on right now. So for concealers, you guys, this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and the regular matte one. And I'm going to mix these together. These concealers are everything. I just tried these the other day for the first time, and I've been in love with these because they are definitely everything. This section on this thing is crazy. And I'm going to take the camo, put that right there just to highlight. Okay guys, so I'm about to go in because I already set under my eye with the Wet n Wild loose setting powder. That setting powder is amazing. It's way better than the Laura Mercier. I have the Laura Mercier, and the Laura Mercier does not hold a par to that powder. So yeah, next I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. So what you want to do with this is you want to take a powder that's around your skin tone, and you want to set the rest of your face. And this powder adds a little bit of coverage as well, and you want to touch your skin a little bit just to see if it's matte. The Fit Me powder is really good, you guys. I would say it is on par with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Not as smooth as Sephora Micro Smooth, but it's almost there. I would say it's a really good dupe for it. For bronzer, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Bronze Please. I couldn't find any drugstore contour, so I had to find a drugstore bronzer, and this is the L'Oreal Bronze Please. I love this bronzer because it has a little bit of sheen in it as well, and it literally gives you that nice sun-kissed bronze that you've been needing. So I really like this bronzer. Also, blush is optional because, you know, not blush, like blush isn't really for everyone. I know some people that do not put on blush at all, but I do. And I'm going to take, where is that blush? I'm going to take the NYX Ombre Blush and Soft Flush. And I'm going to take that on just a brush. And it's like an orangey brown blush. And it also has a shimmer at the top where you can mix it with it if you want the blush to have a little shimmer, but I don't. Okay, you guys, for setting spray, I love the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I would say this is a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus. It does everything the MAC Fix Plus states that it does. You know, it corrects, it primes, it sets, but it's a setting spray, and I would say it's really good. Like, when I would use it, it feels like the MAC Fix Plus on my skin. So I would say definitely pick this up as well. To line my upper lash line and hide my falsies, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is like $3. If y'all do love wings, if y'all like, you know, doing sharp ass wings, I definitely suggest picking this up. I'm about to use the Maybelline Lash Temptation, Total Temptation. For highlighting, you guys, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. I don't need to say anything else really about this. Y'all already know about this highlighter. I was gonna use something else, but I couldn't find it. So just going to stick with this. And this is a shade Blossom Glow. It has a little pink shift. The Wet n Wild highlighters are very intense. Oh y'all, my eye was watering. Okay y'all, for lips, I think I'm gonna just do my typical lip. I'm about to go in with the Lip Bar Liquid Lipstick in Man Eater, just to get it more of a matte feel. Ooh, it's like a nude, like a perfect nude for me. So you guys, for lashes, I put on the B-Gang lashes in the style Amour, and I used their lash glue as well. These are some nice wispy lashes. These, yeah. But from the drugstore, you guys could definitely pick up Ardell lashes or Velour lashes. I know Velour has some really good lashes that are similar to these. So yeah, but I don't have any of those. I don't have any drugstore lashes. But yeah, these lashes are everything, as y'all can see. Like, they're nice, long, and wispy. And they're really, really cute. These are one of my favorite styles, like, from them. Definitely. Okay, you guys, for lip gloss, I'm going to take the Milani Ludicrous lip gloss in the shade Whatever. And give this a nice, ooh, that's one go. Like, that's why I love this lip gloss. That's one go, one application. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray just on my forehead. Ooh. Yeah, just on my forehead. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I did achieve a full beat with all drugstore products. You know, I used everything on my face is drugstore pretty much. So yeah, that is pretty much my drugstore starter kit. You know, like, for people, of course, that that's just now getting into makeup, that doesn't really know too much. That's what this video is for, okay? Because I get a lot of questions too, like, when I would talk to people, they would ask me like what they should get from the drugstore, and they don't know. So I'm making this video because of that. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up right before you leave. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.